Hey guys, what's up? Back on the Zephyr. I had some severe cooling issues last year when I first got this thing going. I found out from a rad guy that, well, that rad is just way too small. And of course, you'll see that it has inlet, outlet, so that on this particular car, it was only cooling half the rad. So I ordered a big block Ford. I ordered a big block Ford 428 67 Mustang radiator. Had to do some cutting to make it fit, but that's okay. It now has inlet on this side, outlet on that side, so now the whole rad should cool. I now have a bigger fan, and hopefully this cures all the problems. We'll find out tomorrow when I pull this thing out and clean up this for the next project, which is my nephew's 600 radian Yamaha motorcycle, which is currently got diesel fluid sitting in the cylinders because it won't turn over, which kind of sucks because I hope I don't have to take the whole damn engine apart. I'll probably pull a Simon Ford caper on that one. Simon Ford man. Yeah, I like his show. He's cool. See ya.